See, I'm replacing the last one. Just unplug. Just take the new one. Plug in. And that's it. So I replaced all four. You see, all the four old ones, the filters. I put new filter. Yeah, that's one motor right here, one right here, second right here, third one right here, fourth one, it's on the bottom, not over there. Kenworth told me it's there, but it's not there. It's on the bottom right here. Fifth one, it's right here. So you have to replace all 5 motors. If you replace only one, later on you'll have a problem. And hopefully, Kenworth said you don't have to program them. It should program itself. So now we're gonna turn the key on. We should go through the cycle. Yeah, hopefully everything should go well. Now the system goes through the cycle. The vents should go. Okay. The fan is blowing. Should go 1 second. Settings. Second. See, the vent works. Third one, the vent closes. Fourth one, vent closes. Fifth one. And there's 2 more vents inside, you see? There's 2 more vents inside. Right there, you see? See? Now we should go through this. The flap should open. This one is the flap down right there. Heat and cold. Now we should go defrost. That's defrost. Readjust it. Now we should go full auto. Okay. Let's go back down. Let's go back up. It should reprogram itself. Someone told me you have to take to the Kenworth and reprogram. I asked Kenworth, they said nope. It should reprogram itself, so you don't have to pay another $700 dealer to program your vans. It's kind of weird. Okay, let's turn on auto 60 and turn off the key. It should readjust itself after this. Let's turn the key on. The temperature's 68. Auto. Let's start the truck. So now we should go completely cold. Completely cold. Or should go completely hot, because before I had the flap wasn't opened. Oh, now it's coming heat. Usually I keep, that's how I keep. Let's do defrost. Yep. That's the defrost, you see? Yes, now we get cold. Let's play now with this one. One more time. Yep. Flaps working. 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 Yep. All the flaps works. Yep, now I have heat. Let's go back to this one. Defrost. That's the frost. See, people say that's the frost, but actually that one, it's right there. These two. Auto. Usually that's how I keep all the time icing. That's it. It's all programmed. Now it's full programmed. That's it. That's how I usually keep. Auto. Defrost. Yep. You can hear that one is opening up. Back to out. When you take this thing off, when you take that, make sure the flaps are not broken. Sometimes they broken right here, right there where it holds the mounting from each side. If not, one of the motors is bad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you replace one, you have to replace all of them. If not, you're gonna keep having fun like that, taking everything apart. See? The wheel is off. You're gonna enjoy those old ones. So have fun. Now putting everything back together. Everything works now great.